Welcome to Attack Solutions, the provider of ultimate solutions for digital threats. This video explains our cybersecurity services. Attack Solutions Incorporated, ASI, is an innovative provider of cybersecurity services with a global network of security experts, and a rapid response team specialized in the prevention, detection, neutralization, and adaptation of cyber threats. ASI has a professional network of security practitioners with domain expertise geared to effectively deal with the basic to the most challenging cyber threats. We perform real-time analytics on global cyber attacks, observing and discovering emerging trends, and applying that intelligence to evolve and adapt potent solutions to neutralize newer attack types. The common threat types we deal with are malware, man-in-the-middle, distributed denial of service, SQL injection, phishing, ransomware, drive-by download, bootcamp, zero-day exploit, cross-site scripting, eavesdropping, Trojan horse, spoofing, farming, spyware, rootkit, and several other evolving threat types. Attack Solutions is based on an operational philosophy of innovation, rapid adaptation, and continuous change. This approach ensures that we are constantly abreast of evolving cyber attack techniques, and that our defenses are ready as newer threats come on stream. Our white hat hackers are among the leading cyber engineers in the industry, renowned for conducting ethical mock attacks through the vigilant execution of firewall penetration, network infiltration, unauthorized application access, data breaches, and vulnerability exploitation to preemptively uncover and qualify exposures that can be engaged by malicious intruders or those seeking to perform cyber espionage for political or financial gains. Attack Solutions is an established cybersecurity vendor with a team consisting of over 1,000 security professionals, which includes cyber engineers, security analysts, network admins, cryptographers, forensic analysts, a rapid response team, and a global forum of ethical hackers which can be engaged at a moment's notice to remediate vulnerabilities uncovered through a threat assessment engagement, or known exposures that have reached critical mass and can no longer be ignored. Infrastructure hardening facilitates the prevention and containment of cyber attacks. This involves implementing and configuring a computing environment to reduce its susceptibility to unauthorized access. Attack Solutions addresses the hardening of networks, operating systems, applications, and databases, and applies real-time analytics and AI techniques to pinpoint newer threats and automatically implement mitigation patches. Cybercrimes are growing at an accelerated pace, and the tools used by hackers are becoming more and more sophisticated. Attack Solutions is committed to the protection and defense of corporate computing assets and is devoted to establishing and implementing corporate cybersecurity policy that orchestrates the execution of threat detection, risk identification, incident response, environment protection, attack prevention, neutralization schemes, recovery procedures, and continuous monitoring. The cybersecurity policies we formulate and enforce are almost airtight, ensuring our clients' operations are in constant readiness to circumvent random attacks. By 2023, the cybersecurity industry is expected to reach $250 billion. This dramatic growth is influenced by trends such as the Internet of Things, cloud applications, mobile data access, and the increasing sophistication of cyber attack tools combined with the simplicity for criminals to launch attacks. Being prepared is the most effective strategy businesses can adopt. To deal with the growing stream of cyber threats, we encourage you to consult with us as a first step into the new world of rampant cyber attacks. We can rapidly establish your infrastructure cybersecurity baseline, score your vulnerability to known threats, identify exposures common in your industry, propose hardening and neutralizing schemes, and formulate a cyber policy that matches your business priorities and budgetary constraints. To know more about our cybersecurity services, please call us at 747-3443, extension 202, or send us an email to info@attacksolutions.com. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.